Lovely Residents, the single off of our Iodine Recordings album OTRA. Got the original Chris Sherry painting up there to prove I was there, man. This song is an old one that we managed to repurpose, and our good friend Emily, otherwise known as Agent M, formerly of the band Tsunami Bomb, was gracious enough to lend her beautiful voice to it, and it's truly a special audio karate song. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this song is tuned a half step down from chromatic, and we are gonna, yeah, there we go. So we're gonna start on the 5th fret on the 4th string, 3rd fret 5th string, and then we're gonna move up to 5 on 5, 3 on 6, and 5 on 6, while kind of holding. So they're not gonna be single strums. You're gonna kind of hold on as you strum through. Alright, so that's the verse more or less, and then we go into the pre-chorus, which is going to be 5th string 8th fret and the 5th fret on the 6th string, up to 7 and up to 8. 6th string or 5th fret and 6th fret 5th string, up to 7. And ending on 8th. Alright, so this part's a little goofy here. So we're 8th fret on the 5th and 6th string. Nothing crazy there. So we're going to slide up to the 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18th fret on the 5th string, while simultaneously hitting the 13th fret on the 6th string. So it's actually the same note, but in order to get that little sort of wannabe Pixies, Joey Santiago, sort of ants on the brain dissonance thing, you got to hold them both at the same time. And then it's just the 6th fret 5th string, 5th fret 6th string, There it is. So it's the 6th fret on the 5th string, 5th fret on the 6th string. Then it's going to be 5th fret, 5th string with an open 6th string. And then the 1st fret on the 5th string and an open 6th string. So those are basically the parts. This one I remember recording at my studio in Montebello with just Art and I. He had the melody first, like he had the whole arrangement, and I played on top of his arrangement, which if you watch any of these videos and are familiar with sort of how we tend to have written most of our songs, it was usually sort of, I would write a riff, he would write a song to it. Every once in a while, this being one of them, Art would come in with a fully fleshed out song, and I would play on top of it. Pretty simple guitar parts relative to, you know, some of the stuff we did on Lady Melody and all that, but kind of an homage to Screeching Weasel and sort of I Believe in UFOs and some of those songs where they do just a lot of the 2-string sort of high, just bouncing between the 2 kind of melodic, I don't know. Anyway, without further ado, let's play along.
'cause your heart I'm gonna miss, and its lovely residence. I ask you, why should I rest when I'm not even dead?
So there you have it. Yeah, so that's a single off our record OTRA, which there are still plenty of copies available at iodinerecordings.com. Pick one up today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.